something where you can't really pass nobody. If you're stuck behind a truck, you're stuck behind a truck area, that area. Alright, hi guys, welcome to today's driving video. So I got a call from mommy this morning. Oh, what do you want? Hold on. What time? Almost time for you or something, you know? I'm gonna call him. Hold on, guys. I was gonna bring Urel to
You have reached
me call him later on WhatsApp. I was gonna bring Urel to the airport. But last night he called and said, you know, a friend is on the same flight. The airport's in my base, so I was gonna make a whole vlog out of that. Last night he called and said a friend is on the same flight. Sorry guys, this is gonna be hard with the distractions on the road. He called and said what he said, so I didn't end up have to bring him because, you know, he was gonna travel with a friend. So it would just be easier on me, easier on him. Fast forward. This morning I see a text from mommy saying, Shade, call me as soon as you wake up. I said, alright, cool. I feel like something did wrong, but I called. She's like, hello my sunshine, you know, like all happy. So I said, I want to see you. And then, my man, me I cut you, because if you want to tell me chat, me I cut you. Anyways, like I was saying, what was I saying? Oh, my attention span is so short. Yeah, so she said grandma won't got a doctor, can you go down to Trelawney today or tomorrow? So I'm like, well, I have something doing tomorrow, so I'll just do it now. So that's what I'm doing. So welcome to the impromptu car vlog. We're gonna talk, we're gonna listen to music, we're gonna jam, we're gonna do all this fun stuff. I don't know what we're gonna talk about. If something catches my attention, then we can talk about it. I'm gonna play some of my favorite songs. We're gonna be on the highway, so warning you from now, the video going piece, because it's like a cut in here, it's like a cut in there, because this is gonna be like a 2.5 hour drive. Probably, yeah, 2.5 hour drive, 2 to 2.5 hours. We're not gonna sit for this whole 2 hours, you get me? So I don't want people to say, oh, this is so all over the place. It is. This is impromptu. And then for everybody who keeps saying like, we want to see your face, this is gonna be one of the only vlogs where it's gonna be only my face. Oh my god. Yeah, try pass. Them people here. Whoa. Where is my voice going? But anyways, we're going to cut this clip and then we're going to come back with some music. So it's going to be all over the place, but it's going to be fun. Yeah. I hope you like it. Some roll out, some rolling. Some roll out, some roll clean. When we tell about the Honda get big girl number. Honda get big girl number. When we tell about the Honda get big girl number. When we tell about the Honda get big girl number. Say them a flash gun, the chopper. Tell me some gas fast, not too loud. Send them on the place up and frost off in the floor. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put a little bit of gas in the car. And then I'm gonna head to country, and then that's where I'm gonna top up in Clarendon Park. I think I've already explained to you guys that that's what I like to do. And I buy some bag juice on the road. One is $20 in Kingston, at least. One bag juice is $20. Oh, them are the cheap one, that's why. Cause the Kyle's in is 25, at least in Spanish Town. $25. So he was like, "Me give you 2 for 30." I said, "Oh, you can hustle." Alright then. So I'm gonna buy 2. Anyways. $1,000 worth of gas. So, should I go behind him now? Yeah. Only let you know that you here. Hi. 1,087. You good? Alright guys, I'll be back when I'm on the road.
The vlog?
Yeah, a driving vlog. You wanna be in it? You wanna be in it? Say hello to the people. Yeah. Alright guys, let me put it back. I hope I have sound of there now. I hope this is good, guys. Alright, like I said, I'll be back. Look, it's Lester! Mine will crash. I will. Alright. Huh? Country. Alright, Portmore. Alright. Alright. Boy, guys, too much money on the crash. Just kidding. We're staying safe. Yeah, that was Lester pull up next to me. Ask if they want me to drive so fast. Yeah. But quickly grab the camera and say I was like, ah! Alright, should I say that tear up the bag used to? Probably did a laugh after me. Give me one. So bump out him just. Watch ya! Should I see Lester a while ago? Anyways, I want to make sure this is fixed before I get on the highway. So I'm gonna fix that and then I'll be right back.
I'm not the way we go for money, yeah. What's the sign, make you got the money for me, touch the money, man, wash it and flush the money. We turn up blogs, the posh lifestyle, so we love it. Them girl are going bad, feeding out the body. Every day I'm gonna chopper, flip bricks, one bricks like a bucket stopper. Them girl are give it up for your couple dollar. You can't run up, better run up on us. Smoking on the low, low, counting on my low. Die, die, die. This is some love song. Go to the movies, cause you know what? Die, die, die. I'm in a loving mood. Why took me and should be funny,
Somewhere under bed, the phone thing under. Turn on the TV and start the drama. When me a wine, break it down himself for wine order. My daddy beat me a ball for mama. In my play string guitar, Bicana. So string up nice, make a one is me under. Sweater run it or ask me. Die, 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 die. 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 Love a sweetly woo. Alright, I'm done.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope chop trees with the Draco. On the knock at Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapid kilo. Snub nose with potato. Straight out the jungle.
Playing on the track.
guys, so I'm in Clarendon Park right now and getting some gas at the Texaco. Yeah, or the Texaco, right? Yeah, Texaco. They have what I believe to be some of the cheapest gas in all of Jamaica, not lie. But anyways, there's always traffic here, always. Yeah. So after this, simple book bops 1-2, and then I will be in Trelawney, and I'm gonna take my long for reach. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fill it up. I'm hungry as well, and I feel like we should also start talking at this point, especially once I get into what's that area, guys. I'm not really good with the area names, you know, but let me try to think of it. Somebody did bring it up in my comments, but I can't really remember the area. But you know, the single lane traffic type, something where you can't really pass nobody. If you stop behind a truck, you stop behind a truck area, that area. Well, I'm about to be in that part. Hold on. I'll go. Pull it up. Yeah, pull it up. 87. Yeah. Alright, so I'll be back. I'm gonna just get the gas full up. I'm gonna watch it coming on. Alright, guys. So we're gonna have a conversation. I just overtook a gas truck before, like right as I reach the Clarendon Park rest stop. I'm overtaking because me nah make that truck catch me on this road. And then it's slow, you know, and then traffic start build up from that. But anyways, I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to start our conversation with or anything. Can give like an update, I guess. I mean, life is good. Everything is alright. I should be going to Portland tomorrow. And today is Thursday, July 16. Today is Malik's birthday. So leave a comment down below telling Malik, one of my cousins, happy birthday. Real quick. Hold up. Yeah. Just have to check the it's 3 minutes past 11. And we left out, can't even remember what time we left out. Probably sometime after 10, sometime around 10. Oh, excuse me. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm estimating that I'll reach sometime around 12:30. That's what I'm estimating. So we'll see. Guys, I don't want to bore y'all. I'm gonna talk about nothing. I'm gonna think of a topic, and then I'll get back to you. Years go by and still words don't come easily. It's sorry, like sorry. Leave me. So guys, clearly I was having way too much fun doing this. I really was, what's the word? In character? Yeah, that was me. This is my song. I'm not about to get demonetized though, so if you haven't realized, I've been voicing over some of these songs. I know my voice is like A1 or whatever, so I forgive y'all for not knowing. But we can say, baby, baby, can I hold you tonight?
Respect the maximum from Houston to come to one love you the girl can dance. Here we go. Diamonds. Me love me car, me love me bike, me love me money and thing.
What was the vibe? Me love me brownie.
Love me car, me love me bike, me love me.
Back for another talking clip. We're about to touch upon wait a bit. Yeah. Just want to talk about my favorite things about country, and that would be the people. How amazingly nice the people are. I mean, you know, you have you have your bad people. Take away this. Sorry, beat that out. We have you have good and bad people everywhere, but the majority of people down here are just nice. You know, them not come off as like better than you or anything, but within that same breath you have people, just because them have nice big house of country and them a drive big car country, them feel like them better, or if them own a shop down here, them feel like them better than some people. But for the most part, the people them have a good vibe, have a more easygoing vibe than people in town. And in full light, you see, it's just fun. Like, country people just have this extraness to them and we just love, you know, not this uptownish type vibe. And even some people in town don't have an uptownish vibe. They just have this nice, you know. So Superman here I always stop at, but I don't want a soup right now. Should I get some soup? Should I get some soup now? But anyways, another thing I love about country is the scene. You know, like the scenic views, just how beautiful the houses are. What else? I just love bush. You know, I have some love for greenery. Like, I love it. Some places in the north coast, east and west coast have a lot of beaches, beach views, and places like Trelawney, like Warsaw, them area, they have more hill views, which I love. I love seeing lush vegetation. It's beautiful. It's showing that, you know, despite everything that mankind is doing to the world, this piece of land is still thriving. And I love it. One thing I'm gonna love too, I'm gonna love here, look at cricket noises. If you could hear that, I'll probably turn up the sound on that. I love hearing it. It just shows me like you're their country. You're their country. Yeah. I love the easy access to ground provisions, obviously, because this is where, you know, a lot of things are farmed in country. But just love that. Like grandpa can go ground and get yam and banana and bring home, and plantain and bring home, and you know, you don't have to go to market and pay feet and them something there. So that's amazing. Yeah, just you want to come in and stir in that. I just love it, you know. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm feeling a little bit weird in my head right now. Like I have this pain, this very minute pain. Like it's not bothering me or anything, but I'm not used to it, so obviously I'm picking it up, like over my eyes, like in my head, like inside my head, over my eyes. I hope that was a good description of where the pain is coming from. And then I just feel so hungry, so I really think I'm probably starting to get not lightheaded, but the hunger is taking a toll on me a little bit. That's why I did eat the biscuit and drank. I have some Ensure. I drank some Ensure and I drank the bag juice, but that now did nothing for me. So I really hope at least grandma have 2 slices of bread or something. You see it? Ooh, excuse me. Yeah. Alright. Well, we're probably not gonna come back to her until we get to grandma. If I do listen to more music and play some more music, then that's that. But I don't want the clip be too long. Like I always say, I really don't want it to be long. I'm aiming for this one to be probably like 15-25 minutes max. Is it? Yeah.
You can ask anybody when they make them starting, but no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station, never see a cell, not even a courthouse. But every Sunday tell Craftsman so full of technique, make him feel like so good and then R.I.P. Show up for them 9 night, can we not clean up for them, say them agree, but them not read like me.
Alright, people, Marich. I think I'm gonna do a story time with grandma. I'm gonna clear some files because I have 34 minutes left. 34 minutes worth of footage left. So I'm gonna do a story time with grandma. I'm gonna have her tell us one of her stories. I'm gonna have to take off this so I can see and I'll go over this, the proper something. Yeah, I'm tired enough. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.
What the? Oh shit.